Welcome to Anad Pathshala. Today we will be discussing Kannada grammar. Topic is ಕಾಲಗಳು. ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆಯುವ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಕಾಲ. That is, ಕಾಲಗಳು means tenses. Like we have past tense, present tense and the future tense. So, kriye is the action. So, at what time the action is happening, that is referred to as kalagalu. So, refers to the tenses which indicates the time of a action. So, it tells you when the action happens. There are three types of kalagalu. First one is bhutakala. In English it is past tense. Vartamana kala, present tense. Bhavishyat kala, that is the future tense. So there are three types of kalagalu. So bhutakala, what is bhutakala? Bhutakala means past tense. So it describes actions that has already happened. So ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ರಿಯೆ means action. So the kriye action has already happened over here. Example, avanu odidanu means he already finished reading. Vartamana kala means present tense. So it describes actions that is happening now. Means the action is going on. It's not over. So kriye ಈಗ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಕಾಲ ವರ್ತಮಾನ ಕಾಲ. So if the action is going on now, the time is called as vartamana kala. So the time is showing that the action is going on now. For example, avanu ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ means he is reading. Bhavishyat kala means future tense, means action is going to happen. Used to describe actions that will happen in future. That is, ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ means in future it will be happening. ಅದನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಕಾಲ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ ಕಾಲ. For example, ಅವನು ಓದುವನು means he will read. It's going to happen. ಧಾತು. What is ಧಾತು? ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ ಮೂಲ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಧಾತು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. So kriyapada means the action, the source of the action, that is called as dhatu. Now you have three words here: kartu, karma, kriye. So kartu is a subject. For example, Sita. Karma is an object. Hannu, that's a fruit. Kriye is a verb, that's action. ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಸೀತಾ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಕರ್ತು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಇಸ್ ಕರ್ಮ, ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ. Now dhatu means what? It is the source of action. No, dhatu is kriyapadada moola ರೂಪ. So here you can say ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಿಂದನು, ತಿನ್ನುವನು. So for this, what is the moola ರೂಪ? ತಿನ್ನು. Eating is the moola ರೂಪ over here. So dhatu is ತಿನ್ನು. ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ ಮೂಲ ರೂಪವೇ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ. ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಧಾತು ಎನ್ನುವರು. So dhatu is the main action. So moola ರೂಪ of the action, the source of the action is called as dhatu. So here, according to the sentence, Sita, we put ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. But what is the action here? Eating is the action. So this ತಿನ್ನು becomes ಧಾತು. ಧಾತುವಿಗೆ ಅಖ್ಯಾತ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದಗಳಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. For ಧಾತು, when you add ಅಖ್ಯಾತ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯಗಳು, it becomes a full word. ಈ ಎರಡರ ನಡುವೆ ಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತ, ದ, ವ ಎಂಬ ಕಾಲಸೂಚಕ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆಯುವ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡರ ನಡುವೆ, that is you have one dhatu and then you have akyata pratyaya. In between dhatu and akyata pratyaya, when you add, that is utta, dha or va, these utta, dha, va are called as kala suchaka pratyayagalu. So when you add kala suchaka pratyayagalu between these two, then it will tell you the time when it is done. That is whether it is past tense, present tense or future tense. That these words will decide, which are called as kala suchaka pratyayagalu. Now for example, you have a dhatu, then you have akyata pratyaya, and in between that you have the kala suchaka pratyaya. When dhatu, kala suchaka pratyaya and akyata join together, when you add all this, then you get one kriya pada. Okay, so this kriya pada will tell you about the action when it has taken place. For example, tinnu means eating. So tinnu is an action, that is the source of the action. It is called as dhatu. Now kala suchaka pratyaya, the plus akyata, annu, ane, anu, these are all akyata padagalu. So annu, so it becomes tinnu plus da plus annu, tindanu. Tinnu plus utta plus ane, tinnuttane. Tinnu plus va plus annu, tinnuvanu. This is how the kriya padas are formed. So how are kriya padas formed? Dhatu plus kala suchaka pratyaya plus akyata, when they join together they form the kriya pada. For example, Sita hannannu tindalu. Now this is denoting which kala? Bhuta kala, because you have one da over here. Sita hannannu tinnuttale. Tinnu, you get one u here. So tinnu, u plus ta, utta it becomes here. So tinnuttale. So this is vartamana kala, that is present tense. Sita hannannu tinnuvalu. So here you have one va. So it becomes bhavishyat kala, future tense. These three words, the, utta and va. Okay, so tindalu, da is there, so it is bhuta kala. Tinnu tale, u and ta, so vartamana kala. Tinnuvalu, va is there, so it is bhavishyat kala. Remember this much. Bhuta kala suchaka pratyaya is the. When the comes, it will denote that it is bhuta kala. So this pratyaya denotes it is bhuta kala. Utta, this denotes it is vartamana kala. So vartamana kala suchaka pratyaya is utta. In a word, when va comes, it denotes bhavishyat kala. So bhavishyat kala suchaka pratyaya is va. Remember this much. The for bhuta kala, utta for vartamana kala, and va for bhavishyat kala. Like for example, tindalu, the is there, so the is there means it is bhuta kala. Tinnuttale, or if a ta is there also you can take that. So that will be vartamana kala. Tinnuvalu, va is there, so it is bhavishyat kala. So now we'll go to the examples of bhuta kala, that is past tense, and the kala suchaka pratyaya is da over here. So dhatu, kala suchaka pratyaya and akyata. will join together to give one Kriyapada. Now examples, tili, the plus annu, tilidanu. So you have da here, so it is Bhutakala. Tili plus da plus alu, tilidalu. Again you have a da, it is a Bhutakala. Tili plus the plus ittu, that is tiliitu. So again it is Bhutakala. Tili plus the plus a, tilide. Tili plus da plus enu, tilidenu. So here you can see dhatu, that is the kriya moola rupa, the source of the action. Dhatu is same. Kala suchaka pratyaya is same for Bhutakala, that is the, but akyata will keep changing according to whom you are addressing, whether it is a masculine gender, feminine gender, or it is a neutral gender. Now, here there are some exceptions for Bhutakala. So here, not necessarily every time the should come. Some exceptions are there here. So you have to see the action here and decide whether it has already happened. For example, Bekku, halannu kudiyitu. Okay, Bekku is cat. Halannu kudiyitu. It already drank the milk. But see here, the is not there. Okay, so you have to see the word here and decide whether it has already happened. Kudiyitu, it already finished drinking. So it definitely comes under the Bhutakala. So this only you can tell Kudiyuttade, Vartamana Kala, Kudiyuvudu, that is Bhavishyat Kala. So here you are having ta, so which denotes it is Vartamana Kala, and here you have va, this which denotes it is a Bhavishyat Kala. Now in Bhutakala, if you see, the is not there. Okay, so some exceptions are there. So you have to read the word and you have to understand whether the action has already taken place. Another example, Ramu Bekkannu Kandanu. Ramu saw the cat. So here also it is da. So da is not there here. But still this Kandanu comes under Bhutakala. Same thing if you are writing in present tense and future tense. Vartamana Kala and Bhavishyat Kala. Kanuttane. Ramu Bekkannu Kanuttane. So ta is there, it will be Vartamana Kala. Ramu Bekkannu Kanutiddane as a present tense, or Ramu Bekkannu Kanuvanu. Va comes means it becomes Vartamana Kala. One more example. Rajanu Yuddhadalli Sotanu. So in Sotanu there is no da. Da is not there. Okay. So but it tells Sotanu means he already lost the war. Means it comes under the Bhutakala. Now some more examples. Now you can see in everywhere the is there. The can be in any form. The, di, do. Like that it can be any form. As long as the is there, it belongs to Bhutakala. So ನಾನು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದೆನು. ನಾವು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದೆವು. ನೀನು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ನೀವು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವನು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದನು. ಅವಳು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದಳು. ಅವರು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದರು. Here you can see that based on ನಾನು. ನಾನು means I. ಓದಿದೆನು. I read. ನಾವು. Now it becomes plural. We. ಓದಿದೆವು. ನೀನು. You. ಓದಿದೀಯಾ? ನೀವು. ನೀವು means you all. ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವನು. He. It's a gender here. Very clear masculine gender. So ಓದಿದನು, it is nu, it ends with nu. ಅವಳು means she, feminine gender, it will end with lu, ಓದಿದಳು. ಅವರು means they, ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದಿದರು. So based on whom you are addressing, the akyata pratyayagalu will change. So you can see here, this akyata pratyaya will change according to whom you are addressing. So annu, tilidanu, that is masculine gender. Alu, tilidalu. Itu, ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. A, ತಿಳಿದೆ. ಏನು, ತಿಳಿದೆನು. So like this, akyata pratyaya will change according to whom you are addressing. Vardhamana kala, that is the present tense, and kala suchaka pratyaya is utta. Okay, so tinnu plus utta, ene, ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇನೆ. So you can see ta is there here. Tinnu, u comes, u and ta, utta. Okay, so if ta is there only, you should understand that it is Vartamana Kala. Tinnu plus utta plus e, tinnutti. Tinnu plus utta, ಆನೆ, ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ತಿನ್ನು plus utta, ಆಳೆ, ತಿನ್ನು ತಾಳೆ. ತಿನ್ನು plus utta, ಅದೇ, ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ. So here are some examples. ನಾನು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇನೆ. The is there. ನಾವು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೀವು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವನು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಳು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅದು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. So these are the examples for present tense. So bhavishyat kala, that is a future tense. Kala suchaka pratyaya is va here. So in the word, if va is there, that is a bhavishyat kala, that is a future tense. Va can be any form. Va, vu, ve, any form. So if va is there, it is bhavishyat kala. Dhatu, dhatu is an action. So here action is kodu. Kodu means give. Kala suchaka pratyaya is va. And you have akyata pratyayagalu is anu. Alu, adu, e, enu. So kodu plus va plus anu, koduvanu. So vanu is there, va. Kodu plus va plus alu, koduvalu. Kodu plus va plus adu, koduvudu. Kodu plus va plus a, koduve. Kodu plus va plus enu, koduvenu. So these are all representing future tense, that is bhavishyat kala. ನಾನು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದುವೆನು. So you tell me this is future tense. Va is there. Bhavishyat kala. ನಾವು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದುವೆವು. ಅವನು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದುವನು. ನೀವು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದುವಿರಿ. ಅವಳು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದುವಳು. ಅವರು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಓದುವರು. Thank you.